What is up, you guys? It's your boy Wheelie Jr. Back again with another banger. Let's go. We got my boy, yeah, Presley in the house. Let's go on his ZX6R. Yes, sir. Look at this thing. He's got some new carbon fiber bits on this thing. If you can check them out, check them out. Yeah. Got the SC Project, new little carbon fiber back there. Got the carbon fiber foot pegs. Yes, sir. She's looking good, man. She's looking good. Let's get it, baby. We're on the way to go and meet up with Matt on the S1K. So let's get it.
Access granted.
Big old tig old bitties. Big old tig old bitties. Sir, oh, something smells good. Must be the saucy crab. I guess. Oh man, it smells good. Yeah. This beautiful bike out. Oh man. Well, my shoestring just got caught. It's like some days I can flat foot the R1, some days I can't. Some days I'm like really close. My legs be shrinking. And my top lip pit. Around 24. Got an old man out there fishing, man. Heck yeah. Hopefully they'll catch him something.
That's it. I'm going fishing.
Yes, sir. Check him out up there. The wind is wild, bro. That wind is crazy. Yes, sir, with the flyby. It's cold. Check out the hot rods. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, it must be like bringing a hot rod up here today or something. What? All the old schools. Let's go. That works. Thought he said he was gonna beat us up here.
Day 2.
Thought you was gonna beat us.
My man got the full system. Let's go. That's what the SC Project sounds like on it. Listen to the idle. Boy, gosh almighty, it made my ears freaking tickle. We're headed up to the BP right now to get some of that gasoline. I tried talking him into going and getting some of that Shell Premium, but he said, man, I only got 2 bars. Like, bruh, I don't know what the bars is. I got a gas light, homie. I don't know nothing about no bars. I said, how much will 2 bars get you? He said, probably about an hour of riding. Got to be careful coming into this parking lot, my boy. This bitch got the hose. Oh! That one got the hose. I got an idea.
What?
I got an idea. We'll ride out to the, what's that spot? The ferry. Yeah, the ferry. The Tooth Ferry. He still has not got the S1K tuned. I'll be right back, my friends. I'm going to get a drink. Thank you. Whoa, it's delicious.
Bro, do you ever drink water?
I'll probably drink about a bottle a day. That's good, right? That's good enough.
Just enough to keep the dehydration away.
Yeah, it keeps me alive. My pee's clear. I'll make sure of that. If it ain't clear, it's yellow, I drink water.
Yep.
I'm like, oh no, we better drink some water. You gotta think, 75% of your body weight's water, right?
Yeah.
I don't weigh much.
That doesn't mean you drink fucking water.
Yeah, it does.
Bro's organs are struggling right now.
They're chilling like a villain, baby. They'd tell me if they was hurting. Wouldn't they?
For sure, I guess so.
They'd be like, hey, brother, you better quit something. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go, Buster. Yes, sir. Pothole that got wobbly. Damn potholes. Look at them right in the middle of the lane as I was trying to turn. Yes, chilling, baby. Yeah, we are here holding on to the handle, my guy. Look, what, man? My guy's friggin' mud flaps about to fly off. Like, what the hell? Can y'all see that? His mud flaps about to fly off, bro. Oh, that's why I done hit something recently. But I got duct tape. Oh my god. I gotta pass him and get this on camera for y'all. This is wild. He's got like duct tape and plexiglass as his driver's side window. Y'all have gotta see this. I can't make this up, bro. You can't. You can't make it up. Look at this. Huh?
He's slow.
Oh, I thought you said he went down. I thought you were pointing at the ground.
No, I meant slow down.
I was like, whoa, what? Whoa, my back tire slipped a little bit right there. He's a gangster. Got a load going, boy. My bro was like lightweight hell on my side of the road, but okay.